So you can use this for just about anything, is that correct?
It's about anything. It's about everything.
Okay, robot number one that we found is a robotic charger.
Okay.
And this is common chassis. It's not only for the sweeper.
It connects with and controls smart home appliances.
Turn him into a bartender robot or something. I have a drink coming up and we'll see how it does, because to me,
So that is our automatic sweeper.
and one of the cool things, you can see the robot actually will automatically insert the plug into the actual charging port.
But also for the just like shuttle bus and the pickup.
Number 10. RoboCube. At CES 2024, Lotus Robotics showcased RoboCube, an autonomous sweeper robot praised for its groundbreaking technology. RoboCube is built on versatile chassis system, allowing it to adapt to various applications beyond sweeping tasks, such as shuttle buses and pickups. This flexibility makes it a compelling solution for diverse industries beyond cleaning. RoboCube stands out for its dual operation modes. It can function autonomously, navigating environments and performing tasks independently. It can also be manually controlled for specific needs. This blend of autonomy and manual control offers users the freedom to tailor its operation to their requirements, enhancing its versatility and usability. With its innovative design and multifunctional capabilities, RoboCube represents a significant advancement in robotics technology. It promises to revolutionize operations across different sectors with its adaptable and efficient performance. Number 9. RoboThespian. RoboThespian is not your typical actor. It's a robotic performer known for its versatility and language skills. Unlike human actors, RoboThespian excels in mechanical precision and can speak over 30 languages fluently. Its performances break through cultural and language barriers, making it popular on stages worldwide. Whether delivering a scripted monologue or interacting with the audience, RoboThespian captivates with lifelike gestures and expressions. Its presence represents a blend of technology and artistry, highlighting the potential of robotics in entertainment and communication. By offering consistent and adaptable performances in various languages, RoboThespian expands the possibilities of robotic expression and cultural exchange. It is shaping the future of human-robot interaction on the global stage. Number 8. Ivy. Ivy by Agility Robotics is a compact bipedal robot designed for research and educational purposes. Created to demonstrate and explore advanced robotic movement, Ivy embodies cutting-edge technology in a smaller, more accessible form. Its design allows researchers and educators to study the complexities of bipedal movement, balance, and agility in a controlled, adaptable platform. Ivy's capabilities make it an excellent tool for developing and testing new algorithms and techniques in robotics. By providing hands-on experience with sophisticated robotic systems, Ivy supports the advancement of knowledge in the field and inspires innovation. Agility Robotics' focus on creating a versatile and educational robot with Ivy aims to foster a deeper understanding of robotics. This ultimately contributes to the development of more advanced and capable robotic systems in the future. Number 7. Portal. Portal hologram technology revolutionizes communication by enabling real-time, immersive connections between people, no matter where they are. This technology creates lifelike holographic projections, allowing individuals to interact as if they are physically present together, whether they are 5 feet or 5,000 miles apart. Portal's innovation goes beyond traditional video calls by offering a more engaging and realistic experience, making participants feel as though they are in the same room. This capability is particularly impactful for personal and professional interactions, bridging distances and bringing people closer in a more meaningful way. The technology's ability to facilitate such intimate and lifelike connections has the potential to transform various fields. These include remote work, education, virtual events, and family gatherings. Number 6. Star Charges Robotic Charger. At CES 2024, a diverse array of robots highlighted the event, including Star Charge's innovative robotic charger. This device is specifically designed for public charging stations across Asia and can autonomously connect to charging ports. Its primary goal is to streamline the charging process for autonomous vehicles, significantly reducing the time and human labor typically required. The robotic charger represents a leap forward in efficiency and convenience, offering a practical solution to the growing demand for automated vehicle management.
Yeah, so if you're an automaker and wanted your own one, you can change the shape,
Yeah.
change the cover pretty easily.
Pretty easily, yeah. With a three different configurations, 32 amps, 48 amps, and 80 amps.
Great.
So this can be just directly into it can go with both DC coupled as well as AC coupled system. So that way,
AC output, which
Yeah.
uses the top, sort of J1772.
CC.
By eliminating the need for manual intervention in charging, Star Charge's robot enhances the operational efficiency of charging stations. This makes them more user-friendly and ready to support the increasing prevalence of autonomous vehicles. Number 5. LG Smart Home AI Agent. LG Smart Home AI Agent Q9 aims to transform home living with cutting-edge technology. Q9 combines autonomous mobility with advanced AI to automate various household chores, making daily routines more efficient and effortless. Its intelligent communication capabilities enable it to interact seamlessly with other smart devices, creating a cohesive and interconnected home environment.
The core function of this AI agent is a moving smart home hub and selects music or other content to suit their mood. It connects with and controls smart home appliances. Thanks to its open platform, it can serve as a tutor, a home manager, a mobile hub. By using the SDK, external engineer can add new functionality to the agent.
Designed to enhance convenience, Q9 can perform tasks such as cleaning, monitoring home security, and managing appliances autonomously. This integration of sophisticated AI and mobility allows Q9 to adapt to different home settings and respond to users' needs proactively. By offering a seamless and smarter life at home, LG's Q9 sets a new standard for the future of smart home technology. Number 4. Dobot Cobot. The Dobot Cobot palletizing solution is a versatile and mobile system designed for efficient material handling. Its standout feature is its ease of maneuverability, allowing a single person to move and position the system effortlessly. At its core are collaborative robots or cobots with a modular design, simplifying both installation and deployment. This modularity ensures that the cobots can be quickly assembled and adapted to various tasks and environments without extensive technical expertise. The Dobot solution enhances productivity and operational flexibility, making it ideal for dynamic and changing workspaces. By focusing on user-friendly design and ease of use, it allows businesses to streamline their palletizing processes with minimal disruption. Number 3. Man.Ro. Man.Ro is at the forefront of prosthetic technology, creating the world's first 3D printed electronic prosthetic hands. These innovative prosthetics are designed specifically for bilateral amputees, combining affordability with advanced functionality. Since starting production in 2015, Man.Ro has been guided by the principle that everyone should have access to prosthetic hands, regardless of financial constraints. Their prosthetics are notable for offering multiple grip styles, enhancing user versatility, and enabling a wide range of daily tasks. Additionally, these hands are easy to maintain, providing practical convenience for users. By leveraging 3D printing technology, Man.Ro has significantly reduced production costs, making high-quality prosthetics more accessible and improving the quality of life for amputees worldwide. Number 2. Augmen Oro Pet Robot. The Augmen Oro Pet Robot is a sophisticated device designed to engage with pets at home. Equipped with an integrated camera and microphone, it can monitor pets' activities and evaluate their emotional state. This smart robot ensures pets are active and emotionally balanced by providing interactive play and companionship when owners are away.
It would be able to assess how the dog is feeling, what activity your dog is doing. Here is the ball thrower. You can train your pet in a couple of weeks, and based on that, this robot has a few features. Right? In that case, pets would feel separation anxiety and some other issues could be caused there also.
It captures real-time data, allowing owners to check on their pets remotely via a connected app. The Augmen Oro Pet Robot represents a blend of advanced technology and pet care. It offers peace of mind to pet owners and enhances the well-being of pets through consistent interaction and surveillance. Number 1. News Reading Android. Japanese scientists recently introduced the world's first news-reading android, a remarkable achievement in robotics and artificial intelligence. This android, designed to mimic human appearance and behavior, can read news with impressive language proficiency and even a sense of humor. Its lifelike features and abilities aim to revolutionize the way news is delivered, making it more engaging and interactive. This advancement highlights Japan's leading role in robotic technology, pushing the boundaries of how machines can integrate into daily human activities. The android's development reflects significant progress in creating machines that can seamlessly perform tasks traditionally done by humans. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.